So now what we're gonna do, my fellas, is we're gonna remove my fancy exhaust manifold plugs, because I feel like they are leaking and I gotta reseal them. So let's do it. The clamp was completely loose on this one, not much on this one. We'll see. I can take it off. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna take a measurement because one guy is asking for it. So I'm gonna send him the measurements so he can make it for himself. I'm gonna put a different gloves. See? My hand will be hurt already. Now my pen. I'm thinking to use this titanium exhaust wrap somehow to seal it on the sides like this. I don't know if it's gonna work, but and with this on this side, this copper gasket maker for exhaust. We'll see. Here is a lot of pressure of these exhaust gases, so I think that's enough on this one. And there's like a cap. You see it? I'm gonna leave it for a little bit. And I'm gonna take care of the second one, and then I'm gonna put the clamp over this. And I don't think it's gonna work forever, but at least for some time, and then I can do it again. But this one seems to hold tight. Look, I can barely take this clamp off. Okay, I think I got it loose. I did. Oh look, this plug, it seems to sit freaking tight. Oh yeah. Oh, I got it. It was leaking here. Let's clean this side just a little. With the copper. Now the clamp. like I said, it's not gonna work forever, but at least for some time. I'm not gonna have the exhaust leak. That's enough. Now let's put this bad boy back on. Okay, and I'll leave it like this for some time. Then I'm gonna put the clamp back on, probably with this titanium thing around it. Okay, some time passed, guys. This is not dry, but I think I'm safe to put the clamps on right now. I'll wait a little bit more. I'll wait. Okay. I think it's ready to roll. So let's do this one first. Let me try to wrap it like this. I don't think this is gonna help with anything, but I'm gonna put it on like this. Yeah. If I can only grab this now. Oh, no way. Oh, nice. Now I have to fish this somehow. And I think this is the only piece I can use to take this out, if I'll be lucky. Not this. And not this. No. Wow. Can't even find it. Not good. Not good. Always something. I think I can see it here. I think it's down there. It is? Yeah, I got it. Hey, I got it. So this magnet saved my butt a few times already. Well, this wouldn't do anything sitting down there, but I need it to put the second one. I wonder if this really is titanium or is just a asbestos or something, or fiberless. sit here. Don't go anywhere. Ha! I got this on the wrong. Jeez. That's why it's coming out so easy. Okay, almost again. This one is tight. And this one is tight. And I hope it's gonna be fine for some time. That's all, guys. Adios.